Our team is obsessed with creating the best tech to help people manage their crypto wealth, and the Smart Engine is a perfect example of this. In fact, the tech is so good that many of our users don't even know it exists. Whenever you start a job at Swissborg, there's actually a challenge that's part of the onboarding process, which is buy CHSB without using the Swissborg app. How does it work? You will usually need to convert your Swiss francs to US dollars or euros, so you find one platform to do that. Then you take your US dollars and you take them to another platform where you can buy Bitcoin. Then you probably need to move to a third platform where you can go from Bitcoin to CHSB. Every single one of those platforms you need to do KYC. Every single one of those platforms you're paying fees, and you're probably not left with that much at the end to withdraw. So what the Smart Engine does is, rather than you having to take all of those steps, it does them for you automatically. We have 31 crypto assets in the app now and 16 fiats. And with Swissborg, in a couple of taps, you can exchange from anything to anything. So the app actually has 961 synthetic pairs, and synthetic pairs means that those pairs don't exist on any other exchange. The only way you can exchange them directly is with the Swissborg app. And the reason you can do that is because it's a meta exchange. It's connected to Bitfinex, Binance, HitBTC, Almax, and Kraken. And every time you do an exchange, it scans all of those exchanges to find the assets you want at the best price.